Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A73, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So, to get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off. And when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Do give it a couple seconds once it turns off, so it's actually fully turned off actually. So anyway, to get once the device actually turns off, hold your power button, volume up, and when you see the ZTE logo, let go of both of those buttons, and after a moment the device will boot into recovery mode. And in here, using your volume buttons to navigate, you want to scroll down and select wipe cache partition and confirm it using your power button. Select yes. At the bottom you will see cache wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once again to initiate that reboot, which will now take you back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.